Take another hit.
Hey guys, happy holiday season to you all, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. It's Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you this really beautiful curling bob that you saw in the beginning of the video, and I'm gonna cut to the chase. All right, we're gonna get right in. I know somebody asked me how I do my bald method, cause it's sickening. It's sickening. Look at this. Where's the? She ain't got no hair. Where is the hair? Split it down the middle. I make two silly braids and they sticking like this. And then I take a rubber band coated in oil and I slip my edges back with the Got2b glue. And then I put on the stocking cap. I cut ear holes and then I use the spray and I saturate my whole hairline. Wait for that to dry, go run some errands. My daughter had a sleepover and I sure enough did pick her up with this on my head. Just like this, I didn't put no scarf on or nothing. Ain't no shame in my game. New year, new me, 2023. And then when that dries, I use an eyebrow razor to get it as close as possible. And then I put one more thin layer of Got2b glue gel around. Yeah, so that's where yes. So getting into the hair today, we have an exclusive from Alipearl, and she is a beautiful 16-inch kinky curly queen, and she's got vavoom and volume, and she's giving island, she's giving natural, so you guys can see inside. I don't know why I love to show the inside of the cap, but it just gives you an idea of how you can apply if you're gonna do glueless or if you're gonna definitely need some glue, how many combs there are, how secure it's gonna be. One comb for the nape of your neck. And then she has like 13 by 4 inches of parting space. So she's got quite a bit of real estate here. You can see I've already bleached the knots. That's completely up to you. You can just use foundation if you want. You can use sprays. Girl, they got the Sally Hansen tan spray. You can use that too. It's just whatever you prefer. I prefer something that's a little bit less messy and something that is, I know is gonna blend, so I'm always gonna use foundation. But that's the inside of the cap. And this is a medium-sized cap. So let me go ahead and put some foundation on the inside of this lace, and then I'm gonna plop her on. After I put foundation on the lace, I'm gonna spray the inside with a little Got2b glue so the oils from my foundation don't mess up with the adherence of the Got2b glue when I use it. Way back before, when I used to wear glueless 99% of the time, I felt more safe and secure doing it this way because I was not confident in my bleaching capabilities. I either over bleached or I under bleached and the knots were still there. It's a learning process. I am by no means an expert. There are plenty of tutorials that you can find on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram for the girls who really know what they're doing. They'll give you a little bit more confidence, but I can understand, you know, the trepidation of buying a very nice wig like this one and then trying to bleach it yourself and how fearful that could be. So for those people who are afraid, foundation works.
Got me wasting all my energy. Yeah, I always sabotage my.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm gonna adjust to see where I want her to live. Let's see, I want my hairline to live right here. So I can pull her down a little bit. Don't pull it down too far. So this is how the hairline came. It's pretty natural. I'm going to do some customization after I go ahead and secure it. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and pin this hair out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, now that I'm satisfied where my hairline lies, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my hairline with some alcohol for maximum bondage. Just a little, not too much. I definitely don't want to get my my bald cap wet with this alcohol. Let me tell you what happened one time. I decided I want some baby hair, so I used some mousse right on the edge of my bald cap. And do you know that bald cap got wet and started curling all the way back? I could have cried. Now I'm gonna pull down my hairline, child.
You know this say imitation is the highest form of flattery.
Beat work. I look natural.
Love me, now I can blame you on the shit. Check the fit, got you messing
So
up.
after I'm all secured, I'm gonna go ahead and section out a little bit of hair for baby hairs. I'm gonna try it today, y'all. We'll see how it goes. Oh man. I'm gonna customize this hairline a little bit, and then I'm gonna melt my lace with this cute lace band that I got. Look at it. This lace band from Alipearl is super stretchy, and then this luxurious silk or satin, I should say, scarf. So when you go to bed at night, your hairline is gonna be protected, girl.
I'm a superstar, baby. Yeah, you wanna be just like me. Wanna be, wanna be.
And that looks good. And we're golden. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lace.
Just like me. Got me faced. Get up on my lane. I'm Versace overseas. I can't be replaced. I'm a shred. Check the fit. You're the cheapo Reaper Visa, and I'm the Mona Lisa.
So now after I've got my hairline situation taken care of, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck a little bit before I create some face framing baby hairs. I love these tweezers, look at them. They have this side is good for gripping in the corner, and then you have this side for pulling straight out. I don't know if they're too long, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my pencil, flat iron, and handle these baby hairs. So now my cute little Botticelli baby curls curling. I'm gonna add a little bit of wax and style them up. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do, because I can't, if I do too much, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna leave it alone. So she's got a really good density. She's like 200% density. So plenty of volume, and she looks really natural. For this hair, for maintenance, I would just do just a little bit of water. I have water and conditioner in this bottle. If you want to clump your curls together, you can use a product like this Pop and Lock It by the Dew, which is good for wash and go, so it's really good for this kind of hair texture. This beautiful kinky curly, and clump those curls together like you would your natural hair. And just remember, too much manipulation and you're gonna get frizz, unless that's what you're going for. In that case, frizz away, child. I'm gonna flip her up because around here, we likes the volume. I never come through. Pick at it, girl. So now, after I'm done playing and fluffing in it, I'm gonna go see my husband and show him he got a brand new wife again. What? I know it looks like it's crazy high maintenance, but it's such a nice put on and go wig. Like literally, once you style it the way you want, you take this thing off, put it on a mannequin, put it on a shawapala. When you're ready to go, just plop it on. You ain't got to do nothing but spray some water on it. I really love the curls. I love this wig. I always love it when I get the opportunity to wear really big, bold wigs like this, because it's not even that it's big. It's just powerful, and it just I feel the power. There's power in the curls. I don't know what it is. But thank you so much, guys, for watching and sticking with me through this video. If you want any more details on the hair, Alipearl, and all those goodies, I'll put them in the description box below. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.